Just you
Just
wait for me.
I will
Ya
leave
Pi
you.
Con
The
sa
day will
POI
come.
KA
Con sa
POR
POR.
Chỉ
I
cho
will take
nam
you.
ngàn ri.
Okay, hello Shillong Megalia Kumno Pilong Paralog. Welcome back everyone. Yeah, back again. So today we have latest music video from Jessie Lyndoh. Peace out, Jessie. Long time. Hope you're doing well. All the fans of Jessie also, Megalia, Khasi people. Hope everyone is doing well. So today we have latest music from Jessie Lyndoh, one of the best, amazing, talented female Khasi singer. You know how she's rocking the stage, guys. So today she released a song titled Khasi Ka Por. Khasi Ka Por, guys. That is the music title. We have Jessie Lyndoh feat ELENA. We have ELENA. It's my first time going to listen to ELENA also. Let's check them out, guys. English subtitle is provided, so definitely I'm going to enjoy. And thank you for providing English subtitle, Jessie Lyndoh. That's really appreciate. I appreciate that. Let's go, guys. Love you all. Yes. Let's go, Grandpa. Grandpa is typing something for you guys. As the sun deep below the horizon, okay? The love becomes strong than ever. Kachinget Jongi. Okay. The story between these two tell us about the patience. Wow, that is patience about and everlasting for each other. The true love they have. While they remain unaware of what tomorrow may bring. Between the clear, okay? They knew they had to be strong. No matter what temptation shroud them in darkness. You have to be strong, guys. Yes, let's go. That was the beginning, the intro for the story. Story of love, of how those strangers fell in love together. They met somewhere first. While I'm waiting, I wish for my heart to open. Feeling lost as in the darkest day. Wow. Feel like I am in a dream. Feel like I am in a dream. You are not in a dream, Jessie. Would you wait for me? Aduh, Yonga. Will I find you? Oh, my precious Let's go. Tell them. Oh, how much strength. I pour yang who know that? You don't know that how much I am feeling. Oh, my I will give Just you wait for me. I will leave you. The day will come. Con sa POR. Oh my God, Jessie, you just feel it, man. Because I'll be every corner of my love. I am made of. Oh, let's go, ELENA.
Colors can ban it up ya pi pins ngau thu shai ya chi Iplatoshan onda Bagawan siyang nishirta Juban laban klenga girmens ken Pinip tip kat nu pi ai por yang Pinip
Don't give up.
Kan nungan slay tap jing girmen wala ka jing it gamo Ngan telut barokan toy kasi just you
Wow.
Kani ka jingpang ka jong
The disease that we have
very rare
is
ma. It's a very rare condition ma.
so very
Te wat kani ka jingpang ru empat juta na manung na bayar mo kani ka jingpang. Te bimlang banyajan ba iru na kani ka jingpang kaya bit ma. Te wat ka takam ka report ka bang iyo. Ni iba imila idan stang 100% chance.
Mila.
Te hindi wat nundu jingkar bang ka jing sumar ka jongi ka jing treatment ka jongi. Te wat nunjuk jingkar bang jo. Ini nilai ka tolak ka yang ke hospital ni pergi doktor staff ini nilai ka tolak.
You have to do it, doctor. Mila have to be fine. Mila have to be fine, and our brothers to have patience. Bro, just be patient. John, wake up, John.
Nunjuk jingkar bang.
Yes, John. My dad name is John also, and you're called John. You have to be patient, John.
Kalian ke hospital tu ini nilai ka tolak ka tolak. Sumar imila ini
Mila will be fine. Mila will be back. The day will come. I will take care of you, Jonah. So sorry, Mila. Don't cry. You will come. You will come.
Banganit ya
I love you.
Buatkan sampai kapan Now will you wait for me
Yes, you have to wait, Joe.
Penidam
Love you
ya
completely.
Cause I'll give my all Every corner of
I made of. John, be outside, John. You have to be patient. Mila will be back. I know the stress and the depression you're going through. Hey, doctor, don't say bad news, please. Mila has to be fine. 45 years later. Okay, let's go. What happened? John is here. I'm grateful because you have always been there since the time we were when I was ill. Oh my God, that is crazy. Attributed because of God. Amen. I cannot tell you how blessed I am to have you from the start and until now. Oh my goodness, what amazing music. Wow. That deserve more than 1 million views in a week, guys. Oh my gosh. Wow, Jessie, let me speak. Let me drop it. Let me just be honest. Oh my gosh. See, this is one of the best music video I'm watching so far. Not from Jessie Lyndoh, guys, but from Meghalaya in general. Oh my gosh. I don't know how to start, from where to start. Okay, let me just start from Jessie. Okay, Jessie part. Honestly, you just kill it. You just did it. And you know how you sound. I don't need to tell you that. You really just mind blowing. That is so touching. And the lyric is just, I just want to know who wrote the lyric of this music video. Give them shout out. And next thing, who directed this music video? This should be like a short film, Jessie Lyndoh. This is so amazing. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know even what to focus with, the music video or the lyrics. Like, both of it is so quality and so amazing. Like, oh my gosh, because I'm reading from English subtitle. Meanwhile, the music, the video, the way the videographer, the director, they made this. Oh my god, the story is so touching, and it feels so real, and you just can't get bored of watching this. Oh my gosh. Elena, you also did so well. You guys have like some similarity when it comes to this, to the sound, guys. Like, oh my god, this is so quality, and I just love everything. John and Mila also, they look so amazing. Wow, they are beautiful. They're amazing actors. I'm watching from Jessie Lyndoh for the first time. I think they are featured in Jessie Lyndoh channel. Sorry, but it is really something amazing. This is really so quality. This is so touching, and at the same time, it's not only about the music video, guys. This is like this music video has really a lot to teach people. Whoever is watching this music, you will really learn how to be patient in love, how to learn how to keep the relationship strong, because relationship is not just like a driving a car or like that. Even car, sometimes it gets some challenges, right? It is alive, guys. You might face a lot of challenges, bad time, good time, like how Mila and John, they face. And what kept them is the patience. So patience is the key to success. You all know that. And they made it until after 45 years. Oh my gosh, Mila she recovered, and again, they are back as usual. Oh my god, this is so amazing. This is so amazing, guys. Congrats, Jessie Lyndoh. Guys, make sure to go and share Jessie Lyndoh main music, not mine, Jessie Lyndoh. This music video need to be promoted more to the people, because there is a lot of heartless people outside there, so they need to watch such music. Jessie Lyndoh, love you all the team, the director, the producer. You just did amazing. Naiya P, love you all. God bless you all. Till next time.